Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sav and this is my first February video. Yay! Anyway, today I'll be DIYing this heart-shaped shadow box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Without further ado, let's grab our glue stick, scissors, and let's get crafting. Alright, so the supplies you will need for this DIY includes a hard surface, extra paper, cardboard, ruler, paper to be the background of your box, decorating supplies, hot glue, your paint, glue sticks, pencil, an X-Acto knife, and your scissors. Alright, so the first step of this DIY is to make a heart template so you can cut it out. And you want to draw this heart fairly big because you want to be able to see the design on the inside. This is my finished outline, and of course if you don't want to draw your own outline you can just find one off the internet and use that as your template. Next you just want to cut it out. Next you will want to measure how big your box is going to be. This one I have made is just so right here is 5 inches by 5 inches, and then on the side it's just 1 inch by 5 inches. And I'm going to do the same measurements for this one. Alright, so I have measured all my cardboard pieces. I have 2 5 by 5 squares, and I have 4 1 by 5 rectangles. These are all in inches, by the way. And now I'm just going to cut these out. Next, you're going to take one of your bases and your heart cutout, and you are going to then just trace it on here, and then we're going to cut out the heart shape with the X-Acto knife. Now that I have traced onto my cardboard my heart, I'm going to use an X-Acto knife and cut out my heart over this hard surface. Next, you are going to want to paint all your pieces. I'm doing 2 coats on just one side of these, and I'm using red. Next, you're going to want to choose your paper for the background of your box. I'm choosing this flowery one, and so on the back now I'm just going to make a 5 by 5 square and cut that out so it'll fit nicely in the back of the box. When you've cut and painted everything out, these are what all your pieces should look like. Next, you're going to take your background paper and your back of your box. You're going to flip it over and then just use your glue stick and glue this on this side. Next, you're going to want to take your hot glue and assemble your box. So what it's going to look like is this will be on top, and you're going to have these, oh, these are way too big. You're going to have your well-cut pieces on the side. I'm just going to trim these down. Apparently these aren't 5 inches, but they will be, and they will just go on each of the sides, and then you're going to glue this on top of it. Next, to finish it off, you're just going to take your heart cutout and glue it on top. And there is your heart Valentine's Day themed shadow box. But I'm just going to add some more detailing to make it look more pretty. I'm going to add these beads around the edges of the box to spice it up a bit. Thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below on what DIYs you think I should make next. Well, have a great rest of your day. Bye!